Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, interview experience I share. If you have come first time in our channel, if you want this type of videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button so that you will receive all the notification when we will publish this kind of video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Wipro recruitment interview experience of 2021 elite interview experience. This interview was shared by two candidates on 11th of November and 12th of November. These two candidates faced their interview. So, if you want this kind of relevant information, please stay tuned with us. So, let's get started with the questions, most frequently asked questions those students faced. So, first candidate, first he faced self introduction, then few questions like what is learning, what is the programming language, basics questions related to C and oops concept, as he mentioned Java and C++. So any gap in education or any backlogs, then what will you do if you are not selected, if you are ready to sign bond, ready to relocate, any other further questions for Wipro. So thus it was happened for first candidate. It was a short interview. I don't know why this was this kind of short interview steps for him. Mostly it is seems like the interviewer was in a hurry, so that's why he just randomly asked few questions. But don't get too much depressed with this thing, because sometimes what happen, if you give your answer correctly with confidence, then most of the time by asking few of the questions, they are selecting the students. We have seen those examples, so don't get too much depressed. So next candidate, he faced a long span of interview. His interview happened on 11th of November at 11:10 a.m. The interview was started. He was from 2020 batch, MSc CSC background. First introduction of yourself, then post graduation percentage, 10th 12th percentage and bachelor percentage, then the modules taught at university. Then do you know about C, difference between structure and union, different type of memory allocated by C programs, difference between them, like malloc, calloc, those kind of functions. How will you allocate dynamic memory in C, what is text memory, and what is semaphore, OSI layers from networking, different topologies. Do you know socket programming, what is socket, difference between multi-threading and multiprocessing, and linked list, and linked list, and also the how will you reverse a singly linked list, what is your current project, what is the role in it, SQL for selecting all students who are more than 18 years old given their birthday. So this kind of example like SQL query, they need to ask you to write in the chat box through WebEx or through Teams platform. The interview examinations are going on, so that's why this kind of questions they may ask to write the query in chat box. So you are working from home or office, what will you choose, what is primary key and secondary key, if you are ready to relocate, okay with night shift, okay with learning a different technology, any questions, are you serving notice period if you are, and also asked about the what is the notice period in Wipro. So those kind of things, and he wished him luck. So in that manner his interview was ended. So I will say, if you are facing similar kind of experience, please share your experience with us like these candidates have shared in the comment box, so that we can share with the other students who are facing nowadays the interview. And also let us know if you have received letter of intent after completion of your interview. So those students who are getting offer letter, please comment us in the chat box. So it actually gives us motivation that from our help or from help of this YouTube platform you are getting success in your job. So Thanks for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving us, and subscribe us to get this type of job notification. If you really like the content, hit the like button for this video. Take care.